Let Ronnie Shabtay Fine Jewellery transform your inspiration into a reality. Send us your photo, sketch or idea and we will provide you a quote and 3D CAD file by the next business day. Once this is received, you can confirm the order immediately, or you can still modify and refine the current design at no charge. From the date of confirmation, you will receive the complete item within 3 weeks with free delivery. Our services include manufacturing in platinum, gold or silver, fully finished, meaning stones supplied, set, polished and rhodium plated if applicable, or as a semi-mount. Don't miss out on a sale if your workshop is too busy or it's an item you don't wish to make. No job is too big or too small. Give us an opportunity to quote with no commitment. We hope to speak to you soon.